In this article, we'll talk about the concept and the benefits of branding and provide a few famous examples of successful branding. Let's start. 1. Analyze your target audience. Before you take any other steps toward creating a brand, you need to research and analyze your target audience and ask yourself, who are your ideal customers? Once you know your target audiences, group them based on their interests, age, and shared characteristics. This is called audience segmentation. When you've grouped your audience, develop buyer personas to represent each target group. A buyer persona is a fictional but detailed description of a customer who represents a particular group of consumers you're targeting. Developing buyer personas will help you improve your targeting and tailor your messaging and marketing efforts to each group. 2. Research your competitors. Researching your competitors and industry leaders is essential in branding because it allows you to see who you're up against. Learning about your competitors, their branding strategies, and their offering will help you determine what you need to focus on in your branding efforts and how to set your brand apart from other businesses in your industry. 3. Develop a brand identity. Now you are ready to start shaping your brand identity and creating a brand book. This means defining your visual persona, including logo, color palettes, typography, and imagery, as well as determining your core values, mission, and tone of voice. 4. Craft messaging. The next step is to craft the messaging to define how your brand will communicate its unique value proposition. Your brand's value proposition explains to consumers what benefits your product or service provides and the value they will get from it. You will use these points for content creation, including blogs and social media. You will also need a tagline or a slogan, which is a short, catchy, and memorable statement that sums up your brand's essence. 5. Build an online presence. Now you need to start establishing an online presence. This includes building an optimized, user-friendly website and being active on social media. Write quality content optimized for search engines so your audience can discover it when searching for related information on Google. Next, to discover where your target audience spends time and which social media platforms you can use to reach them, analyze your audience's demographics. 6. Maintain consistency. Consistency is key to effective branding. This means ensuring that your brand's representation is cohesive across all channels and touchpoints. Use your brand book to make sure your brand is represented consistently, from your website to your social media pages, marketing materials, and beyond. This not only includes visual elements, but also includes consistency in your messaging, brand promise, and values. Branding success does not come overnight, but if you build a great brand story and remain consistent in brand representation, you can reap long-term benefits even from small business branding. A professional brand management company can be your best asset in achieving this. Good luck!